Hi, I'm in YF Machinery, YINFENG. So they have two factories in front of them. This is office area. This factory is just for making the parts, like all the machinings, grinders, all the machine parts making facility there. So I'm here in showroom. So you can see it has a three floor here. I'm on first floor. Uh-huh. Let's see. Very big facility. This is assembling and testing floor. So they have different floor for different facility, different work. So here is a very big showroom, showroom testing facility, and you can say, I think not assembling. Assembling is different floor. It just a testing. You can see so many machines, and we came from there very far. Now we are going this way. I also visit their uh, storeroom. Storeroom also very big, very huge. In fact, not big, very huge in the industry. अभी हम उस रास्ते से आए थे, अभी हम इससे नहीं, हम लोग इससे जाएंगे। यहाँ टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटीज there. Okay. Under testing. Smaller coil. customized machine. Okay.